Strong winds the other day started toppling my dead pine trees. I just broke this off into a snag. Crap. I'm sitting here videoing this pine tree and there's a buck steps out right there. He's standing there looking at me. Shoot. He's just standing over browsing in the mowed path. That's the third buck I've seen this morning. They're moving this morning. That's that big tall spike. He's just standing right there. I didn't bring my big zoom lens, so I can't zoom in on him anymore. I just got my 50mm prime. So he just waved his flag. There he goes. There he goes. That's the third buck this morning. Well, the deer are moving this morning. Let's hope the squirrels are active. Look at this mess I gotta come clean up now. Man. Well, as you can see, the deer are active this morning. So before I got outside to hunt this morning, I had a 6-point and a 4-point walk through my backyard. And then after I got my stuff on and came outside, I was videoing those pine trees that had blown over. And that tall spike just walked out 45, 50 yards from me, just standing there looking at me. Anyway, I came on down here in the pines and set up. It's going to start raining here in about 30 minutes according to the radar. And I think the deer are active up ahead of this cold front that's coming through. And I'm hoping the squirrels are too. So I'm just going to hang out down here and see if I can see any movement and see if I can sneak in on a couple of squirrels or maybe even a rabbit or something. So let's see what happens.